Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this clip art and didn't want to use it, but they want to know how to use it. And it's kind of ironic. Somebody else just emailed me on my other email of a bull terrier, and I think that's what this is. But they just wanted to know how to do this, and there's many ways and different patterns that you could create or even find them on the internet as pattern. But I just created 3 patterns, and just real quickly I just drew some flowers out, and then instead of using the flowers I used the opposite of the flowers to make the pattern. And so I've got these square boxes, so I thought I'd just show you how to start, or how to show them. And just I like using the 3-point curve line, and just let's get on there and just draw it to there, and let's make it like that. Now to test it, I'm pretty close on the line. I would always draw a rectangle around your box just in case it does leak, and it doesn't. So we can get rid of this guy for a little bit. And I'm going to set my nudge factor on 10 inches, and I'm going to move it out of the way 3 times. Now I'm going to take another section using the 3-point line again, 3-point curve, and I'm going to do, sometimes that happens in Corel. It'll actually get on that line, and let's just do like that. And let's do one more. So we'll have 3 different shapes. 1, 2, 3. And we've already done the inside one, so now get the Smart Fill tool and fill in that one. Cursor over one more time than you did. So you've got them separated. Then you can grab those 3 and left click, right click, and then just pick what pattern you want and kind of make sure it would fit in there. And this one would fit in there, so we're going to use it. With that selected, go to Arrange, Clip Art, Place Inside Frame, and voila. Now let's take away the outline and let's nudge it back over. And I'm not saying you'd ever use these designs, but I've just kind of rotated that one where it would work. Go to Arrange, Power Clip, Place Inside Frame. And then what's so nice about Power Clip, you can edit it. Go to here, right here, and edit it, and just move your Power Clip to wherever you want it. We've kind of lost the dot on his tail, so we could just kind of, what you're doing is trying to cover up everything. And I'm not saying you'd ever use these patterns, but then just click on there, left click, take away the outline, and move that over. Then we'll do one more. Let's bring this guy up, go to Arrange, Power Clip, Place Inside Frame. And that doesn't look too bad. I'm not going to go any further, so left click. And there you have 3 different distinctive patterns. Now I would probably, this kind of intermingles with the other one, but you get the idea. You could do individual ears. You could do individual legs like they did here, which is pretty cool. Make some flower shape, or go on the internet and find some patterns and trace them. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit, and thank you for watching.